Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, if you have red battery light, what you need to check, we will demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram right here. What you need to do, you need to go ahead, open the hood, and here guys, under the hood on the driver's side, if we zoom in, you see that's your car battery right here guys. Right in front of it you have a fuse box. Okay, we need to go ahead, open these two tabs. Okay, and once you open, you're going to see the main fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, what easily can cause that? Here we need to check a couple of fuses, then we need to go to a different place and check one hidden fuse. Now, please make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice that we don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here guys, the first fuse that we need to check will be known as fuse number 52. Some of the fuses that we sell for main alternator fuse, battery voltage regulator or battery sensor. So fuse number 52, that's 51, 52 guys, very important fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 72 right there. Now before we go to that hidden fuse, guys, okay, things to consider. The alternator is driven by the serpentine belt right here. If the belt broke, the belt fell, the tensioner for the serpentine belt is loose. Okay, that can cause the alternator not to work and it will not charge the battery, so you will get that red battery light. So it could be bad belt, in some cases it could be bad alternator. We have many videos on our YouTube channels how to test alternator. Another thing, you're gonna come, guys, here to the car battery again. Here on the positive terminal you will have fuses. You may have two different kinds of fuses, but most of you will have the squared ones. And here guys, if we zoom in, you see that's 250 amp, 125, 100 amp. That 250 fuse, guys, okay, check it. If that fuse is burnt, you'll get red battery light as well, guys. Very, very important fuse. So those are some of the most common things that we will usually check if we get red battery light, okay, here in the garage. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for peace of mind. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.